Hello everyone, welcome to another mind-boggling episode of Excel tutorials. My name is Alexander Wong and today I'm going to be teaching you the count function, COUNTIF, average, and the AVERAGEIF function. Now these functions seemingly explain to you what they do just with their names, so let's try them out. So first of all, the count function. What is the total number of employees in this database? So I'm going to put in the count function and then select all of these and press enter and see what happens. There's a 0. That doesn't sound right. There are more than 0 employees in here. But what the count function does is essentially it only counts numeric values. It doesn't count the alphabetic values. So if we shift this entire range over here, there are 49 employees in this database. So if we want to calculate something that is non-numerical, like all of these, all we have to do is, as you've seen here, put in an A. And that's the count A function. So count alphabets, I'm assuming, and press enter. And it works as well. Now moving on to the COUNTIF function, it's essentially a function, again, very self-explanatory. We can have here. So we want to see how many employees there are within the corporate unit. So first of all, we're going to press the enter sign. Forgot that. And then press COUNTIF. You just press tab and the function will autofill. And then the range is going to be here. Whatever we're testing, go down, put in a comma, and the criteria. For the criteria, we're going to put open quotation marks, corporate, and then close quotation marks. You can't write equal corporate this is the way to do it. And there you go. So there are 22 employees within the corporate unit. And let's say if we wanted to test how many employees earn over a certain amount in compensation, we can simply put this entire range over here, and then we would have, let's say, larger than 100,000. And there you go. That's the way you would do it. And then you can have the smaller or the smaller sign, or the smaller and equal to. You'll just put in an equal sign, and that's that. So now moving on to the average compensation for employees. So very easily, average is average. It's just going to take everything and divide it by the number of units you asked it to sum up in the first place. Yeah, there we have the average. And then the AVERAGEIF function. So average if the range is here. The range is here, whatever we're testing, and then go down. The criteria is that we have level and then the space 4. And the average range, that would be the compensation. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I helped.